In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the process of color correction in Premiere Pro to help you get the best look for your footage. Whether you're a beginner or have some experience with Premiere Pro, you'll learn techniques to adjust exposure, contrast, saturation, and balance colors in a way that enhances the overall mood of your footage. So let's get started. So before starting the color correction, I can see how I have organized my workspace. If yours is different, you can go to the here window and you can go to workspace and choose color. So you can see here I have this Liberty scopes open here. So this is your maximum brightness for your image and this is the darkest part of your image. So we have to adjust this. So while color correcting, we have to take care of this and make sure you don't blow out your image. If you see, color correction is divided in 6 sections. So I'll start with the basic correction and I will go to curves. So these two I'll cover here. So if you see, this is divided in 2 parts. One is color, one is light. And the very first option see here, auto and reset. So to getting started, I'll use the auto, and this is based on Adobe Sensei, which will help you enhance the look of this footage. So this is great for getting started. So I'll click on this auto. If you see here in the limited scope, I'll show you the before and after. So now if I click on this after, see blacks have come here and white have gone up a bit, so slightly better distributed. Excellent way of getting started. As you see, I've got the basics color correction already here. So let's enhance this. For that, I'll go to this curves. Here you can use the channels like red, green, blue, and the composite one. Here I'll create a S curve. So I'll click on this here once and here. So this I'll use to brighten the image and this one to darken the image. So I'll click this, I'll drag it here. While dragging, make sure you don't go below this 0. For whites, make sure you don't go above this white 100%, above this 100. So we have to try, we are slightly below than 100 and here we are not touching the 0. Make sure you don't blow out your image. So I'll just drag this slightly. So blacks, as you can see here, the image as well are here as well. And this is the white. I'll just brighten a bit, but make sure we don't go above this 100. That's it. So now you can see the difference. There's a huge difference in the brightness of the image, as you can see. So now I have a better image than the original one. If I click on this, before and after, as you can see here. Now go back here and the hue saturation curves here. So I want to saturate few selected areas for this image, like the grass area and the sky. For that, I can use this hue versus saturation. So I'll click here, I'll take this eyedropper, I'll click on this blue area here and it will exactly show you where this color is, and click on this and drag above a bit and I can see before and after again. See the before, this is the more saturated one. Same I'll do with the green as well. I'll click on this area, yellow and the green, and in between here I'll click this, I'll click here, I'll drag it a bit above. So now if you see the image before and after, this was the before image, and see the here scopes. Now you can see here whites and black properly distributed, and you can see the contrast in image here as well. Now let's work on the second one. Here we have the skin tones. So how we can enhance the skin tones? For that we can load here, go here vector scope. So I'll hide this one, waveform. Again, I'll start with the basic correction. I'll go here, I'll click on the auto. As you can see, the basic, this does an excellent job. You can see the before and after. So we have to increase this. So we have to work on the skin tone here. So I'll go at the curves again. And there is a bit of a greenish tone in this image. As you can see here, the green and yellowish and getting color here. So I'll go to this green channel here. I can click this one, and this is self-explanatory. You can just drag it down to reduce the green, as you can see in the scopes as well. So I'll just take this much. I'll leave it. See the difference, the green tones are gone and a slight magenta has been introduced. I'll go again to the RGB on and I'll click here, the darker part of the image, this one for the brighter part of the image. So again I'll go in a hue and a saturation curves here and pick this skin tone. And this I'll just drag slightly above, add more saturation to the skin tone. And let's go back to basic correction again here. And here I'll increase the saturation a bit and the contrast as well. Now let's see the before and after. So this was the before, as you can see, very desaturated image, and the green, a slight green tone is also there, and what we have done. That's it for this tutorial. If you enjoyed this, please leave a like and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. See you in next one.